this epic fire pit. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. We found this amazing disperse camping spot in the Ozark National Forest. We're about to set up camp and then go for a rip and then have dinner. Free camping. It's awesome. Well, I think it's awesome. We'll see if we survive the night. We got our generator. We're gonna set up our air mattress. Juicy spilled gas in the trailer, so we might get a high, or I don't know, something.
It's still a little gassy.
It's a little gassy in there. Frick. Okay, well, a little gas never hurt anyone, right? Look at this view, y'all. Can see Shores Lake. Look at that. We're gonna be stargazing tonight. We're gonna have stir fry. It's gonna be awesome. We got our champion generator. Oh yeah, now we got power. See? I'm gonna air up our bed for the night. Welcome to our MTV crib. Simple's better, right?
Yes.
Or we're just broke. We're off-roaders.
We're cheap.
Yeah, we can't afford anything because we pay for off-road parts. It's fine. It's fine. We don't have the fancy setup.
That really helped, actually.
What?
That helped.
Oh, really? Oh, shoot. We should have did that earlier. That generator is so dang quiet.
That was badass.
Whew. We won't disturb the bears tonight.
You can link them too, by the way.
Link them? What does that mean?
So if you bought another one of those,
Yeah?
you can double your power and then link it together.
No shit. Really?
Yeah, the price that goes up.
So we're airing up our new air mattress we got on Amazon for the first time. Don't judge, it's dirty in there. We don't care. We just sleep in there. We spend all our time outside.
It started up, so that's a good sign.
It has its own, what's it? Inflator thing. Oh shit. She's getting big. Ooh. You gotta love Amazon, y'all. It was a lightning deal. I got it for like 20 bucks off. I love me a deal. Fix this. Oh, it's so dirty in there. Just ignore that. Stop freaking me out. Oh, look at that. It's shaping up real nice. We're gonna have a good old sleep out here in the woods with Bigfoot, bears, snakes, oh my. I feel like this is gonna be a winner chicken dinner.
I feel like it too.
Yeah. We just needed to quit being cheap.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah. Ooh. Is it cozy?
Oh yeah.
Is it?
It is.
Have a little nappy nap? Siesta?
I'm a kid.
Ooh, should it be a little harder or no?
No.
We might have to fill it like later.
Yeah, then that's fine.
When it settles. So we got the bed all made. It's not fancy, but it'll work.
It works.
Yep, we got a fan for the sleep sounds. And check out our sign, y'all. It's so cute. Oh, I almost fell. Look at our sign. It's from Juicy's grandma's farm. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I see cookies. Here's our bed. Simple life. We got it. Yeah. Here's our silverware storage and random crap. Here's our other storage. We're gonna redo all of this eventually. Maybe we'll do a video on it when we redo it. Maybe we should do that.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's totally gonna get redone.
Yeah, we need to redo this and make it more efficient, right?
Yes, efficient.
Is that what you would say? Efficient?
Yes.
Or just
Yeah, a lot more.
not so much wasted space.
And more like organization and compartments.
Yeah. And maybe a dog kennel.
Yes. Eventually they're gonna have to come.
For the Yorkies. Can you imagine camping out here? It's epic. A little stair. We got our little, we can leave the door open. There's a screen. We do have lights in here. Show you them. See? For at night. Juicy installed those. Just need power. Super cute. We like it. It's simple. We don't like complicated. We're all set up for later for our campfire. We're gonna go for a little rip before dinner time. It's gonna be awesome. Juicy needs to buy this for me. Don't you, Juicy?
I do.
Well, here's episodes. What's up?
There's just an overlook. No, I don't think so. Yeah.
Start.
So that's a part of it.
Is that a well?
Yes.
Oh, does it open?
It used to.
Oh, look at the little pipe thing.
And then the other part of it comes out of there.
Look at
Yeah, the gray one.
Yeah.
So that comes out of the hill.
Then you have this one, copper one.
So the copper one's probably coming from that thing.
And the gray one's
Coming from the hill. And then there's something up here. I bet there's a waterfall down there.
That's what I hear. It's not a waterfall. Oh, a natural waterfall there. We're just out here getting right. Pretty easy to do, huh?
Absolutely.
Out here in the forest. This old homestead. What was the year? Remember?
I don't remember, but it's up here on the wall.
19, I want to say 36. Let's go look. 36 maybe? Something just rustled by me.
Right there, 1936.
Oh, shoot. I'm good.
That was good.
1936. Look at me. I'm super smart. I used to be smart. Old homestead. I would totally live here. Totally. I could wake up to that view. Shoot ya. Would you live here?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. You're like off-roading and all of a sudden you have service. Getting
Yep.
text messages
It's a thing.
from the teenager. We were trying to get away from civilization. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
That was squidgety.
A little juicy.
A little squidgety there.
Back at camp. We got a fire started. Look at that. Oh yeah. Juicy about to make some dinner. Oh yeah. Steak. We're gonna for the skillets. Let's see the little lake. That's Shores Lake. This spot